Namaste students, today we are going to discuss multiplication of monomials and our first question is 1.2 a square b square multiplied by 5a b raised to power 4 c raised to power 2. Then 1.1 a raised to power 5 b and c raised to power 7. Now let us see how we have to multiply them. So first of all, we have to multiply numbers with the numbers. So numbers are 1.2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1.1. Then now we have to multiply same variables. So here a raised to power 2 we have, and here we have only a, can be written as a raised to power 1. Then here we have a raised to power 5. So this is the product of a variable. Then now b variable, here we have b raised to power 2. Then here we have b raised to power 4. And in third part we have b only, so can be written as b raised to power 1. Same. Now let us see c variable. Here we have c raised to power 2 multiply by, here we have c raised to power 7. Now let us find out the product. This will be equals to 1.2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1.1, which is equals to 6.6. Here you can use laws of exponents. Bases are same and product of variables is here, so powers will be plus. So its power will be 2 plus 1 plus 5 into second variable is b, and its power will be 2 plus 4 plus 1, 2 plus 4 plus 1, and third variable is c, its power will be 2 plus 7. So let us write down the answer now. This will be 6.6, a raised to power 2 plus 1 3 and 5 3 8, and b raised to power 2 plus 4 6 and 6 1 7, and c raised to power 2 plus 7 9. No sign is there between a, b and c, it means they are in multiplication. So this is your required answer. Let us see one more part. Let us use the same method. Numbers will be multiplied with the numbers. So this will be equal to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. This is the first part. Then product of p variable, so it is p raised to power 1 here. Then we don't have p in the second part. Then p raised to power 2. Then the product of variable q. Here we have q raised to power nothing means 1. Then here also q raised to power 1. Then next we have r. So in second part we have r raised to power 2 multiplied by r raised to power 2 multiplied by r raised to power 7. Now let us simplify it. We know that 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, so minus 3 will be here, and now multiply it. 3 fives are minus 15, and minus 15 multiplied by minus 3 will be positive 45 upon 4 ones are 4. Then p raised to power 2 plus 1 will be 3. Then q raised to power 1 plus 1 will be 2. Then r raised to power 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 7 11 r raised to power 11. This is your required answer. Next question is, find the product of 1 upon 2x cube multiplied by minus 10x multiplied by 1 upon 5x square and verify the result for x equals to 1. Now, first of all, let us find out the product. The product is 1 upon 2 x cube multiplied by minus 10x multiplied by 1 upon 5 x square. So, like previous questions, first of all, numbers will be multiplied with the numbers 1 upon 2 into minus 10 into 1 upon 5 and x variable with x variable. So, this will be equals to x cube into, here we have x only, so its power will be 1 into x square. Simplify it now. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 5s are 10 and 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 1s are minus 5. So 1 ones are minus 1 multiplied by x raised to power 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 2 6. So the answer will be x multiplied by 1 will be x itself, and this can be written as minus x raised to power 6. Now we have to verify the result for x equals to 1. Means, how we can verify it? Here a question part will be left hand side and answer part will be right hand side. So what we have to do, we have to replace the value in left hand side as well as right hand side, and then we have to check whether our answer is same or not. So let us put in left hand side first of all. This will be equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by x is 1 cube, then its second part is minus 10 multiplied by x is 1, then third part is 1 upon 5 multiplied by x is 1, so 1 raised to power 2. Then simplify it. 1 cube is 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 upon 2 will be as it is. Multiply by 10 ones are minus 10 as it is. Multiply by 1 upon 5 into 1 will be 1 upon 5. Simplify 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 5s are 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 1s are, this will be equals to minus 1. Let us replace in right hand side. This will be equals to minus x raised to power 6. Replace x by 1. So this will be minus of 1 raised to power 6. And 1 raised to power 6 means 1. So this will be equals to minus 1. So left hand side will be equals to right hand side. Hence it is verified.